Okay, the next concept is graphical representation of linear motion. So we are going to study three graphs, that is displacement time graph, velocity time graph and acceleration time graphs. So first we will discuss about the displacement time graph. So first graph is displacement time graph for a stationary object. Now what is stationary object? What do you mean by stationary object? The object which is always at rest, which is not changing its position, is called as stationary object. If the body is not changing its position, the displacement remains the constant or it remains zero. Then the displacement time graph for a stationary object will be a straight line. You can see the blue color straight line parallel to time axis. We will move on to the next graph. Displacement time graph for uniform velocity. Now what is uniform velocity? We already discussed. It is if the body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the velocity possessed by the body is uniform. Means distance covered by the body every second or every minute will be always same. So the graph for displacement time of uniform velocity is given by the straight line passing through origin. You can see a straight line, blue color line here, which is passing through origin and always straight line. Okay, we'll move to the next graph, that is displacement time graph with a positive and negative slopes. Now what actually is this positive and negative slopes? You will get a positive slope for a graph when it is passing from origin in upward direction, and you will get a negative slope when the graph is retarding or when the body is retarding uniformly. So the graph for displacement time for positive slopes and negative slopes, you can see here the straight line which is passing through origin will give you a positive slope, and the straight line which is moving towards the x-axis will give a negative slope. So this is the graph for positive and negative slopes. The next one is displacement time graph with variable velocity. You can see a displacement time graph for a variable velocity. As the velocity is changing, because body is covering unequal distances in unequal intervals of time, therefore the graph will be always a curved line graph. Okay,